Hello friends, in this video we will refill the cartridge of HP Deskjet printer. So in my case the cartridge is 680, but the procedure for filling it is same for all the other cartridges. So don't forget to check out my earlier video where I had refilled the black cartridge, black and white cartridge with this white sky ink, and that's printing very nicely now. In this video we will refill the colored cartridge. So you can see four new colors. So I will be using this cyan, magenta and yellow for refilling the colored cartridge. And I have already done the unboxing. So for checking out the box contents and tools given in the package, check my unboxing video, which I will link in the description. Now first of all we will take out the cartridge. So here I have the printer HP Deskjet. So you need to open this cartridge box, and you can see two cartridges, colored and black and white. So I will take out just the colored one, since black and white I have already refilled in my previous video. So in order to take it out, you have to on the top part you have to pull it outward and then take it out. So it's very simple. So this is HP 680 cartridge, colored one. So now let's take it. So make sure that you never damage these circuits, otherwise it may not be detected by your printer. So never damage these parts. In order to fill it, you have to first take out this sticker. So this is the first time I am filling this colored cartridge, so the sticker looks new. In your case, you have filled it multiple times and the sticker is damaged. You can stick something else after filling it. So let's take it out. So now I have carefully removed the sticker. You can see a few holes. You can see two more, but these are repetitions. So the top one, if you are holding it this way, like if the sticker was this way 680, so if you are holding this way, the top one is for the magenta color, which you can see here. Then the next one is yellow, the left one, and the right one is cyan. So we will take out 3 milliliter each of all the three colors and then put it in their respective holes. So total it will make roughly 9 ml combined. So I have taken out 3 injections, and let's start filling one by one. So now take out 3 milliliter roughly. So you can see 5 milliliter here. So roughly fill till this point. So I have taken roughly 3 milliliter, and this is the hole for yellow. So this is magenta, yellow and cyan. So slowly insert the needle, very slowly, and then also slowly you have to inject, not fast but very slow. Slowly, don't rush. And now it's done. So the yellow one is done. Now I have taken the cyan color, the bluish one, and the right one, this hole is for cyan. So again slowly insert the needle and slowly inject. So it's done. The cyan one is done. Now finally we will inject the magenta color in the top hole. Now I have taken roughly 3 to 4 milliliter of magenta color. So this is the top hole. slowly. So in this case there was some overflow, so clean the extra ink. So just get rid of extra ink. So still some ink is remaining, so I will put it back. Now I have filled all the three colors. So we can put the sticker back. Now get rid of the extra ink. So these previous markings are from my earlier refill of black and white. In this case, you can see different colors. So now we will use this sucking tool to suck out roughly 1 milliliter of ink to make sure that all the three colors are mixed in the correct or proportion. Otherwise you will have some colors not showing up in the print in the some of the earlier prints. Ultimately you will get the print, but the color may be wrong in some earlier prints. So we will suck out 1 ml of ink from this side. So I have fitted this cartridge this way, and you can see a hole here. So we are gonna suck out roughly 1 milliliter using this sucking tool. So you can see I have sucked out roughly 1 milliliter of ink. So now we are ready. So we will just get rid of the extra ink. So take it out. You can see the extra ink here we had sucked. And now remove any extra ink. Now it's done. I have taken out all the extra ink. And now we will put it back in the printer and see if it's printing correctly or not. So put it back. You have to, the process is very similar. So now I have put the cartridge back and we will close it. So now let's print a page. So I have added different text of different colors. So I have selected the color profile. Let's wait for the color print. So there may be some extra ink which you may face, like this is probably from extra ink, so it will clear away after one or two prints. Don't worry about that. So let me see the color here. So it's red color, then followed by bluish color, then green, and then light blue, and then light brown, and then some blue color. And now let's see it on the print. So you can see here black as it was there, then blue, then a dark red or kind of maroon, then blue, then light blue, then light brown, and then some blue. So it's I am happy with the print quality. It's printing really nice. I have to print a few images to check if the color is mixed properly, but I don't think there should be an issue because we had used that sucking tool in the end and we had got rid of extra ink. So the quality of print is really nice. So thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Also don't forget to watch my refill for black ink. That's very similar. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. That really motivates us to make such useful videos. Thank you.